Finding the right replacement part for your refrigerator can be tough. But this ULZOZN ice dispenser Auger motor W11202789 is a lifesaver. It is specifically designed for many brands. These include Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, and Maytag. So, if your ice maker is making strange noises, or if it isn't dispensing ice at all, this KitchenAid ice dispenser motor W11202789 might be your answer. It replaces several part numbers, including W11207906, W11202789, AP6327333, and W10225313. Ultimately, this motor acts like the heart of your ice dispenser. It pumps out the ice you crave. First, installation is quite straightforward. You don't need to be a repair expert. Next, many online tutorials exist. They guide you step by step. Consequently, even an 8th grader could probably follow along. Furthermore, the motor feels sturdy. It appears well made. Moreover, it spins the auger, which then pushes the ice out. Therefore, it restores your ice dispenser's function. In short, it brings back that satisfying crunch of fresh ice. Thus, your drinks stay perfectly chilled. This KitchenAid ice dispenser motor W11202789 makes your life easier. Finally, consider the value. This ULZOZN motor offers a cost-effective solution. It saves you from buying a new refrigerator. Instead, you fix a small problem. Hence, it's a smart choice. Additionally, it ensures a steady supply of ice. No more manual ice trays. Because of this motor, your ice dispenser will hum smoothly. Therefore, your kitchen routine becomes much smoother. Ultimately, this KitchenAid ice dispenser motor W11202789 is a solid investment. It truly delivers on its promise. Pros: smooth ice delivery, anti-blocking design, wide compatibility, excellent engineering materials, strong wear resistance, durability, easy claims process, quick claims, extensive coverage, exceptional protection features. ULZOZN brand, ice dispenser Auger motor, model W11202789 fits Whirlpool, fits KitchenAid, fits Jenn-Air, fits Maytag, replaces W1120278906, replaces AP6327333, replaces W10225313. This is an ULZOZN brand ice dispenser motor, model W11202789. It is designed to fit several refrigerator brands like Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, and Maytag. This motor can also replace older part numbers such as W11207906, AP6327333, and W10225313, helping your refrigerator's ice dispenser work again. This ULZOZN ice dispenser motor, model W11202789, is designed to fit many refrigerators, including Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, and Maytag models. It helps deliver ice smoothly and has a special design to prevent ice from getting stuck. Made with strong and durable materials, this motor is built to last. Plus, it comes with a simple and fast claims process for excellent protection.